Guys, I'm so excited. We're going for coffee. After 6 months, for the first time, we're going for coffee.
Woo!
Hi guys! Today we are doing something very different. We are going to be visiting 3 coffee shops.
So we thought we'll take you guys along because we've also not been to a coffee shop in 7 months now.
Exactly, yeah.
Or even more. It's not like I don't even remember the last time we went to a coffee shop together.
It's been a while. I think even before the lockdown, we hadn't gone for a while.
Yeah, it's been a while actually.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take you along.
Honestly, I really need a coffee right now because all day long I haven't had a single coffee. Early in the morning I asked Muzna, let's have coffee, and she's like, no, we're going to a coffee place soon.
Exactly, so, and we're planning to have 3 coffees in a day.
So now it's 5 PM and we still haven't had our first coffee. So
before we get into the video, please like, share and subscribe if you like our channel and if you want to see more of such videos.
Alright guys, see you soon.
I just realized something. I've left our hand sanitizer in Lukman's bag and he's with his grandparents now, so we need to go and get ourselves a hand sanitizer before we go to these places. Stasi, will get me one?
Sure.
So the first place that we are going to is some place that I grew up going to pretty much. Every day after college I would be here at this cafe with my friends. My friends, we all used to assemble at this spot. This was our assembly spot.
You're already there, I think.
Yay! Okay, so we're here, so I'll show you what this place is. It is super duper packed. I'm a little concerned now. The first place we get out and come is like super packed. I really hope they're maintaining some sort of social distancing inside, hopefully. Oh my god, how much has the parking increased over here? It used to be only in front, right? During the times of COVID, this is what we see. We have to come to the backyard to park at this cafe.
So guys, the place that we are coming to, it's finally time to reveal the name. The place is Amethyst. So Amethyst is something that all of us Chennaiites have good memories about. We have pretty much been coming to this place right from the time that we were kids. I have been coming here from the time that I was in college. I think Muzna has been coming here since she was in school. So we have entered the place now, and here is the purple turtle.
Hi.
At Amethyst guys, and Muzna has removed her mask. You know that when you sit in the garden area, it's actually called the Wild Garden Cafe.
I knew it had some other name for sure, but
oh really? You didn't know? You knew that?
Yeah. This place used to be at another location earlier. When I used to go from college, this is not where I used to come.
Yeah.
There was another location.
It was near my school actually, my old school.
Yeah.
DAV, right?
Yeah, it was near DAV Gopalpuram. But now they have moved opposite Satyam. Our group used to come here, and back then, you know, the coffee used to be for 60 rupees, and I'm talking about in 2003, 2004, and that was a lot of money for 1 cup of coffee. And we used to come like 6-7 of us, sit on one table, and then one of us would order coffee.
Yeah. So basically, hers was a gang that was chased out. I know, was not very welcomed here. So whereas my gang was, I think, decently welcome. We came for the coffee and we paid for it, right? We didn't come to Chumma sit without having coffee also in this place. One thing about Amethyst is very laid back place, and so they don't disturb you for like hours together, and
which is nice actually.
Yeah, so you just said you can have your coffee, you can read your books, you can spend some time here. The food is pretty decent. They've got a decent menu, especially I think the Thai green curry is supposed to be good here, right? And but they also have pizzas, and pizzas are also okay, and they have sandwiches. Of course, Muzna has not tried any of these because she used to come here and have 1 cup of coffee.
I only have iced cappuccino till date.
Really? Okay.
And potato wedges.
Okay.
These are the 2 things that we have over here.
So today we are having the coffee because it's still our first time out and we don't want to have a lot of food. So we're going to start with a cup of coffee here. So, and that's my cappuccino. So finally guys, we're going to try our first coffee, food outdoors actually, in a cafe or a restaurant, right? This is the first time we're doing it.
can you push that straw towards me? And push the glass towards me.
Muzna is going to try to drink this cold coffee without touching it. She's only going to touch it with her lips. So that's her plan.
I don't know.
And she thinks, and she thinks that's going to stop the corona. So you're not going to touch the cup itself, is it?
No. Why do I have to?
What do we do if the straw goes on this side? We have finished the coffee, guys, and now we are going to walk through the place before we go to the counter to pay our bills. One of the rules that we had about the entire lockdown is we won't be eating outdoors. We did start bending that rule recently. We've started eating outdoors. We started going to, I mean, not eating outdoors specifically, but ordering food from outside and eating at home, right? So we've been doing that a little bit. But our rule number 2, which we haven't broken and which we don't intend to break, is that the food has to be microwaved. We don't eat food that has not been microwaved for at least 30 seconds. Because I think that's a little bit one safe way of ensuring that you minimize your risks, right?
This is another place that we're going to, which is a place that we very recently discovered. Probably it's been around for a while, but we were not around for a long time in Chennai, so we discovered it very recently, say about a year back, and we really like it. It's like a
year back means we've only been there about 3-4 times.
3-4 times, but it's a nice place. So there's a very popular nightclub that is just attached to the coffee shop. So though we don't go to the nightclub, we can feel the nightclub vibes over there sometimes when you go in the night. We generally like to go outdoors and sit in the outdoors, so this is one of those places that has a little bit of outdoor seating, so you can just go and chill, have a conversation. At the same time, you can hear the beats from the nightclub, so it's quite fun, like for people like us who have not really been partying.
So guys, we are at Broken Bridge Cafe. This is the place inside. Muzna sitting here. This is Broken Bridge Cafe. That's where we are. So right on the other side is this is the radio room. We are sitting here. We are going to have our second cup of coffee. Muzna has ordered another cold coffee.
And we also ordered, we've gone one step ahead and ordered a cake as well. So, yay!
Yeah.
We generally sit inside, but since it's COVID times, we're sitting outside and waiting for our coffee. But there are not too many people here, which is good. Just very few people around, and they have like all the checking happening there like that before we enter.
So this is the cake that we got microwaved for 30 seconds. Muzna is attacking her cold coffee. How is it? She likes it. I think she likes it.
It tastes like coffee.
So it hits the mark.
Yeah.
I think this cake is supposed to be melted, right?
That's okay.
But we got it melted. So it's sort of sweet. It's got a little bit of salty taste because it's the sea salt fudge cake. So it's got a little bit of salty taste also. I think these kind of cakes go well with hot coffee rather than cold. Finished having our second cup of coffee and Muzna's like rearing to go for the third cup.
I don't want the third cup done for the day and for like 2 days maybe. Now finally we are going to the third place, which is my regular when I used to go out for like client meetings and stuff like that. I would always make it a point to cross over this place so that I can have a cup of coffee. And I generally used to have a soup over there. I used to love their mushroom soup, but they removed it from their menu.
Really?
Yeah. So
they don't have mushroom soup anymore.
No. So sometimes when I go, I actually ask them to make the mushroom soup, though it's not there on the menu anymore. Let's go and see how it is. Finally, we are here.
We are here at the third coffee shop of the night. We have finally reached here. We started at 5 in the evening and now it's almost 7:30. In a period of 2.5 hours, we have covered 2 coffee shops already. Muzna is ready for her third cup of coffee.
Yeah, and
she has to have it.
I'm super excited. Can you feel it? You know, can you feel that you've already had 2 cups of coffee? Really,
the
energy levels are going high. We are definitely on a coffee high right now.
Yeah. There's only one sitting area outside and it seems to be occupied, so we have to go indoors. What are the memories that you have associated with this place?
A lot of brainstorming. A couple of times I've come here with family. A lot of ice cream. Because Chennai doesn't really have too many dessert places, so this is one of those places that has a good collection of desserts, especially ice creams.
Whether we go for dinner to any other restaurant also, sometimes we come here for ice creams.
Belgian hot chocolate.
Belgium hot chocolate, 70% dark.
I have to add sugar.
I have my standard cappuccino, my third cappuccino today.
I can't have any more coffee, guys. I think I'll be up all night. So compared to the other 2 places that we went to, this place has a lot more louder music.
They actually have the match on a big screen. So you can see the big screen there. And, so people who are fans of cricket, you don't want to miss the match, they can come here, watch the match as they sit and have their coffees or dinners. So that's the video, guys. We are finally here. We have finished 3 cafes and 3 coffees, 3 cups of coffee. I had 3 cappuccinos. Muzna had 1 Belgium hot chocolate and 2 cold coffees. So that's our day. We are completely saturated with the caffeine in our bodies, and I hope you guys had a great time watching this. Do like, subscribe and share our video so that you know what we're going to put up next and you are able to see our videos on time. See you guys.
Bye.